Yes, my name is Matt Kane. I purchased the 4x4 heavy-duty transmission for my oh 01 Silverado. I just want to start off that I spoke with Javier at first and also worked with Grace. Customer service was excellent. They called me back. They got all the questions I needed answered, everything that I needed to know. They were perfect on the spot with everything like that. Once I got the transmission put in, a friend of mine, him and his dad own a transmission company, they put it in for me. When they put it in, they didn't have to do a single adjustment. It was flawless. They put it in. It shifts flawlessly. Being out there in the snow, out there in the mud, sand, everything that I've put it through, it works great. Haven't had a single problem with it. It just turnkey, hit it, you just feel the power, you feel the shifts, everything. Everyone that has been in my truck, I send them right to you guys. So, outstanding job and an outstanding product. Keep going what you guys are doing. So, thank you for everything, and hope to do more business with you guys in the future. Thank you.